Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to calculate CAGR, compound annual growth rate, in Microsoft Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. Okay, so there is a built-in formula, or there's a formula that you can use to actually calculate the CAGR in Excel. So for this, basically we have these two values here. The first one is ending value, and then we have the beginning value as well. So you will enter is equal to, and then you will enter the bracket here, and first of all we have to enter this ending value. So click on this one and then divide, and then beginning value, and then close this bracket, and then we enter this symbol here, then start the bracket again basically, and then you have to basically enter the years of investment that you did. Okay, so let's suppose in our case the investment year was like 5 years. Okay, so I will just enter 5 here basically. Okay, so first you have to enter 1 and then divided by 5. So in this case 5 is the total number of investment years here, and then you will close this bracket and this minus 1 here, and then when you click on somewhere else, it has calculated the CAGR for these two values here with 5 years of investment. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.